we're about 34 miles out, 9,000 feet. I think we should probably start descending.
Yeah, we should start descending here soon, I would say. Right, they haven't handed us over yet, I guess.
377 Echo Sierra, contact Charleston approach 124.1. Good day.
124.1, 377 Echo Sierra, good day. Charleston approach, Kyle, 377 Echo Sierra, 9,000 feet.
Was that November 377 Echo Sierra calling Charleston?
It was 377 Echo Sierra, we're at 9,000 feet.
For 377 Echo Sierra, Charleston approach, Charleston's altimeter is 3002. Spec vectors, visual approach, runway 23.
Spec visual approach, vectors for 23 into Charleston. Alright, let's go ahead and get switched to tower. Tower's 125.7, we're expecting visual. Double check, I should have my airport plate pulled up. So we're gonna be landing 2-3. We'll exit as soon as possible. They'll probably tax us Alpha Charlie.
Looks great.
Alpha Charlie to Bravo 3 or 4. Down to Bravo. Okay.
Let's not go to U.S. Customs.
No, but the FBO is right beside it.
I know. I just love Customs. I think they love us too.
Go straight into inspection.
Like, hey, I stepped out of the airplane. What are you going to do? What are you going to do to me? How the hell do I have connection at 9,000 feet?
Dude, it's weird.
That is so weird. That happened to me the other day too. At 9.5, I was like cruising along. All of a sudden my phone vibrated. I'm like, there's no way. There's no way.
Yeah, when we were coming back from Gatlinburg, we were coming back at 10,000, and there was a few points like over top, like when we were going past like Lexington and shit. I had service. I'm like,
it's weird, yeah.
At 10,000 feet, how the hell do I have service?
That's weird. Drew said, let's get cleared, baby. Come on, Doc.
Oh, he's good. I gotta go get mine too, my medical.
Yeah, I need a new medical as well, or I'm not gonna get hired by anybody.
Yeah, right now I'm sitting on a class 1 or class 3. It just expired for class 1. Message. Approach VNAV profile.
Scott West 5789, turn 10, 10 degrees left, descend maintain 4,000.
I want to descend. What do I do?
How about you have us descend too?
It's going to take us a hot minute to get down.
I know.
I mean, I can get us down.
Yeah. Bank and drop the nose.
Bank drop, full.
Spin. We could do spins all the way down to 4,000. That'd be fun.
Is it 4,000 here?
I have no idea. I was just throwing a number out there.
Because it's what? We have to recover by 5,000 feet above the ground or something like that?
With spins, you got to be at least 2,500.
2,500?
So probably
5,000.
Yeah, 4 or 5.
Volunteer 3403, Charleston approach, Charleston's altimeter is 3002. What approach are you looking for back with you?
Yeah, so it'd be 5,000 because it's 2,300 from right
Volunteer
here.
3403, proceed directly on, descend maintain 5,000 and report the Beckley Airport inside.
Well, honestly, we probably could start seeing the airport.
Number 7 Echo Sierra, begin your descent, pilot's discretion, maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000, 377 Echo Sierra.
It's about time. Oh, looky there. We're aiming right for it. We're probably going to miss it. Yeah, we're going to miss it.
What? The cloud? Oh, yeah.
I want some actual.
Scott 5789, Charleston Airport is...
Keep track of the level for our way back.
Miles. Report to airport in sight.
Sounds good.
Scott 5789, cleared visual approach, runway 23. Contact tower 125.7.
Here's fucking fast. Jeez.
Why are we not getting the ATIS anymore?
I guess it doesn't like us. That's nice. That's really weird.
Charleston approach, Cock 377 Echo Sierra. We have information golf. Can you confirm if the ATIS is up at Charleston?
7 Echo Sierra, you said confirmed that the ATIS is broadcasting?
Correct. We were receiving it before, but we're no longer receiving it. 377 Echo Sierra.
Variable at 4, visibility 10. Few clouds, 6,500, temperature.
Charleston approach, Cock 377 Echo Sierra. It's now coming in.
New 66 visual approach. Use caution for birds. Has a further information available. Flight 762. Just contact you. Information hotel. Information hotel 1654 Zulu. Wind variable at 4. Visibility 10. Few clouds, 6,500. Temperature 28, dew point 12. Charlestown altimeter 3002. Runway 23 in use. 66 visual approach. Use caution for birds. Has this further information available. Flight service frequencies. Just contact you. Information hotel. Information hotel 1654 Zulu. Wind variable at 4. Visibility 10. Few clouds, 6,500. Temperature 28, dew point 12. Charlestown altimeter 3002. Runway.
Charleston approach, Cock 377 Echo Sierra. We have information hotel for Charleston.
Roger.
Few clouds, 6,500, so checks.
Looks about right. Ish.
November 7 Echo Sierra, continue your descent, pilot's discretion, maintain 4,000.
4,000, 7 Echo Sierra.
Probably be able to turn left on Charlie.
It depends on
maybe.
where
we
live.
might roll down to Charlie.
I could make it roll down to Charlie.
So you might be able to make it roll down to Charlie. And,
I can land long, that's for sure.
yeah, we can make that happen.
I will say, so when I went to Gatlinburg, I was landing, there was a, sorry, I'm trying to get the airport in sight.
Miles.
And Charleston, CAF 4777, we have Charleston Airport in sight.
CAF 4777, Roger. You'll be following a regional jet 200,
anyway,
currently about 7 miles north of the field.
There's a bunch of, have you ever flown to Gatlinburg?
No, I haven't.
Okay, we'll use caution for the RHA for CAF 4777.
I'm sure we'll be turning about 8 or 9 mile base. I'll tell them,
There's,
again when you can probably see them.
Okay, thank you much, 47.
No, tour traffic, tour helicopter traffic.
Oh, really? I could see that happen.
So, like, when we were coming in, this helicopter's like, we're going to be going down the west end of the, we're going to be flying past the west approach end of the west 110. What's your ETA aircraft on final? And I was like, about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
1 minute and a half, 2 minutes. And
Yeah.
he's like, all right, we're just going to fly underneath of you and we'll be no factor. I was just like, what?
Oh my
I'm like sitting there looking for them because they're flying from that direction.
Gotta love helicopter pilots, man.
So he's like, I got you in sight. You're no factor. We're flying under you. And I'm like, ugh.
All right, cool.
I ended up staying up high because
yeah, I would have been high too.
I was
like, stay the fuck away from me.
right. I was like, I'm not going to keep descending into somebody I can't see when they say I'm going to fly under you.
Yeah.
So I stayed high, and when I got to the runway, I kind of I had to push it down a little bit, so I came in at like 75 knots instead of 65, and we got down. We were just floating and floating and floating down that runway, man.
CAF 4777, that traffic's not going to be any factor for you. They're on about a 6 mile right base. You can make straight in for 23 and contact the tower 125.7.
All right, straight in 23, we're over to the tower. Thanks for the help, CAF 4777.
Volunteer 3403, Beckley Airport is 1230, about 15 miles from Fort Field site. Volunteer 3403, cleared visual.
I was just here a couple weeks ago for Brady's wedding.
Cancellation 125.
I had to pick up Drew's girlfriend here.
Frequency approved.
Oh, Charlie West.
That's funny.
Departure 05 on course passing 1.8.
Volunteer 3403, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR for the exchange approved. Third 5, Charleston departure radar contact. VFR altitude 4,500 is approved, and proceed on course.
On course 4,500 approved for 05.
Cessna 7 Echo Sierra, fly heading 090, vector 4 sequence.
090, vector for sequence, 377 Echo Sierra. Alright. Send checklist is done. Approach briefing, we're landing visual 2-3. Oh, I'll have to show you the video, or send you the video of me landing in Cleveland. Well, so
I've actually never been to Cleveland either. I feel like you've been to way more places.
I told you, I mean, I try to go to a different airport every time I fly.
I don't blame you.
I don't want to get complacent.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Because, like, again, Nashville, I've been there like 3 or 4 times now. So it's like, I know the procedures. I know, you know what I mean? I know
been there, done that. Don't want to do it again.
I don't mind doing it. It's just, I want to.
Yeah, it's good to change it up.
Yeah. But anyways, so in Cleveland, the first approach controller said, expect visual for 6 left. I said, all right, expect visual, 6 left. Switch to the next approach controller. Get over there, and he's like, we're literally getting ready to go in. And he's like, 9-4 Lima Papa, intercept ILS, 6 left, switch to tower frequency, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, whoa, hold on, wait a second. Yeah. I was expecting visual, so also like switch tower, intercept ILS. So I'm like, plug it in real quick, intercept, identify, all that fun jazz. I switch, get it, intercept, 6 left. And the tower's like, hey man, you'd be doing me a real favor if you could do a visual for 6 right. I was like, yeah, let's do that.
Oh my God, dude.
6 right, you got it.
That happened to me going to Nashville one time. They kept switching me. They switched me from left to center to right, and I was like, Jesus Christ, figure out what you want me to do. And then literally right after we touched down, we rolled clear of the runway, and there was a A320 that landed right behind us and threw on the thrust reversers and shook the shit out of our airplane.
That was another thing.
Allie was like freaking out. She's like, what the fuck was that? And I was like, the thrust reversers blasting us.
We got cleared to land. We landed on 6 right. And they cleared United Jet to take off runway 6 right. They're like, clear for takeoff runway 6 right. We hadn't even gotten to our turnoff point yet. I was like, what the fuck? How are you clearing somebody for takeoff? Like, I literally pushed the power in to like...
Yeah, get the hell out of the way.
Get off the runway.
Hey, I'm gonna get out of the way before they fucking run me over. One time I was at Lexington and they had a CRJ 200 do a 180 on the runway or taxi right at us. I think the airport's right there. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. I pointed there and I was like, nope, over there.
It's in such a weird spot. You like drive through this really curvy road and then get up on top of it, boom, there's the airport. I mean, I understand it's hilly as hell over here. That's like the only place you can put one, but it's just in a weird spot.
I'd rather have it on top of the hill than at the bottom of the hill.
That's true.
Hashtag Lunkin.
Lunkin. Yeah, my student was freaking out this morning because Lunkin was showing a low IFR because they had fog. I'm like, did you not look at Claremont's weather?
Like, look at Claremont, look at CVG.
Clear skies, winds are calm. Yeah, look at CVG, then...
If there's one airport that's not good to look at,
it's Lunkin.
It's Lunkin.
Exactly.
Because it's low IFR every summer morning. Every summer morning. You're telling me an airport that's in a cool valley that's really humid is...
Alright, what did you say?
I was just saying, it's like, you're telling me the airport that's in a humid area in a low, cool valley is foggy every morning?
No way. No way. No shot.
So I think there's a... Oh, there's a civilian air patrol coming in.
Roll cap.
Number 7 Echo Sierra, descend maintain 3000.
3,000 next year.
We're skimming the damn mountains here in a minute.
Is that mine or yours that's doing that?
I have no idea. I'm just going to blame it on you because I don't want it to be me. I'll take the blame this time, though. I have no idea.
Fortunately, I have more factors involved.
I was going to say, you have more wires. More wires is, I'm going to assume it could be you.
Yeah, because of this.
That's all right. Not a big deal.
March Amble 22, 3,000, runway heading.
Amble 22, Charleston Port, your radar contact.
If it was anything,
To your discretion and turn right on course live.
Yeah, all right. Right on course live. Thanks, Amble 22.
I expected it to get kind of bumpy down here.
Yeah, we got all these mountains and shit.
Mountains, hot, humid.
Great combination. I'd rather have it down here than up at cruising altitude.
Oh, I agree. I just always expect bumps in the summer down here.
God, it's so weird that they fly airliners into here. This was just so tiny.
Volunteer 3403, your call sounds wrong. You guys got to get this fixed. It's been 2 days in a row with every flight. Volunteer 3403, stand by. I got to amend this call sign.
One thing I really need to work on, I always sit really far forward, like this.
Yeah. Just sitting back and relaxing. It's okay. I have a student for instrument. He literally flies like this.
Volunteer 3403,
Don't feel bad.
Charlotte Airport as filed. Maintain 6,000, expect flight level 240 10 minutes. Departure frequency, this frequency. Squawk 3731, hold for release.
Departure Anvil 21 past 2.7, 4,000.
Especially when you're flying IFR, it's good to just kind of sit back, make sure your
Volunteer
back's straight and
3403,
relaxed.
read back is correct. Give me a call 10 minutes.
Very
prior
common to
course
want to be
flow
tense
time.
because you're in IFR.
Yeah.
It's kind of a tense situation.
Number 7 Echo Sierra, Charleston Airport's off your right hand side, 7 miles.
We got the airport site, 377 Echo Sierra.
Number 7 Echo Sierra, cleared visual approach runway 23, contact tower 125.7.
Clear visual approach, 23, contact tower, 125.7, 7 Echo Sierra.
Amble 21, Charleston Port.
Charleston Tower, Skyhawk, 377 Echo Sierra, 3,000 feet.
Stock 377 Echo Sierra, Charleston Tower, wind calm, runway 23, cleared to land.
23, clear to land, 377 Echo Sierra.
Did you put on your flight plan that we're going to Capital?
No, I did not. I'll tell them when we get on ground.
Alrighty. We can just let them know that. And Tower, this is 7 Echo Sierra. We're going to be going to Capital Jet Center. Okay.
121.8.
Stock 7 Echo Sierra, roger.
Charleston Tower, Skylane 216 Juliet Kilo, ready to go, runway 23.
Skylane 216, Juliet Kilo, Charleston Tower, hold short runway 23, landing traffic.
Oh, man, we got a minute.
I know, we're going to be
Hold
like
short,
3
23.
minutes.
And it looks like I got one in front of me.
Bird 6, holding short runway 23, ready for departure.
Oh, I think.
Bird 06, Charleston Tower, hold short runway 23, landing traffic.
And now you got me going Russian.
23, heard 36.
Cap 4777 left at Alpha 2, contact ground point.
She didn't tell me best speed.
Alpha 2.8.
No, she didn't. You're right.
Thanks.
We do what we want.
Go ahead and descend down to 500.
Alright, the winds aren't above your PQ limits, are they?
No. Nope.
It better not be. It's only like, what, 3 knots or something?
4.
4.
Need to get my PQ bumped up for the straight winds to 3. I don't know when that happens,
Tell
but...
Shreve to nut up and fly some more.
Huh?
Tell Shreve he needs to fly with you more.
I know, right? I literally, that's what I told him on Sunday, because I was sticking around because I knew it was supposed to start, you know, getting, going down and get within my PQ. Then I was going to be gone all day, and I knew that later on when I came back, my PQ. So, but it was just waiting to get out. A little high, get that power out. Power out. 25 knots, first notch flaps. Five, full flaps. Look at those, it looks like power lines or something before they get on the runway.
Those are the approach lights.
Oh,
The ones that go this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the approach lights.
That makes sense. I thought they said the VAD seeds are out of service.
I thought I heard that too, but I guess they're not.
They were when we left on the NOTAMs. Land after that line. Funny, we went over top of this little ravine here.
Get a little updraft, maybe?
A little bit of updraft.
Bird 06, Charleston Tower, wind 090 at 4, runway 23, line up and wait.
Runway 23, line up and wait.
They're going to tell us to go left on Alpha 2, contact ground point 8.
Yep, I got ground tuned in. Barely see the center line from off the jet.
This thing is covered. Alrighty.
So keep rolling because you have to clear me.
Cap 4777 left at Charlie, contact ground point 8.
Yeah, just keep going, add a little power. Just keep
77 Echo Sierra, left to Charlie, ground 18.
Watch your flaps coming up.
Looks like a little Mooney right there.
That is a A36 Bonanza. Bonanza.
Almost called clear runway.
Yeah, don't do that.
Heard 0.
Charleston ground, Skyhawk 377 Echo Sierra, holding short on Charlie, off 23.
Number 377 Echo Sierra, Charleston ground. Make a right turn on Alpha, left on Bravo to parking.
Right Alpha, left Bravo, straight to parking. 377 Echo Sierra.
Alrighty.
Oh, don't call me crazy, but he's probably going to have that jet go down Charlie.
Yeah.
Charleston ground, Charlie Golf, Quebec Kilo with hotel.
Man, I could not do freaking Canadian tail numbers.
Is it Charlie Golf, Quebec hotel?
Is Charlie Golf, Quebec Kilo. We're on the Bravo ramp and looking for taxi instructions. We're VFR southbound.
There's an Air
Charlie
Canada.
Golf, Quebec Kilo, you want to fly following anywhere?
What's that?
Affirmative, we will be looking for flight following on departure.
Yeah, I can just put it in now. What's your destination, type aircraft?
Okay, type of aircraft is Skyhawk, and the destination is Rutherford. That's Kilo, Foxtrot, Quebec, Delta.
That's my first time seeing a Breeze Airways jet.
Kilo Hotel Lima X-ray en route, and the altitude 7,500.
The best livery of any jet is the Trans World Airline livery.
TWA, yeah.
Before
Golf,
they,
Quebec Kilo, maintain VFR below 4,000, expect higher with departure. Departure frequency 124.1, squawk 67.
770, Quebec Kilo.
Yeah, capital truck, follow that Skyhawk, it's off to your left to the ramp.
Capital truck following the Skyhawk to the FBO ramp.
And Charlie Golf, Quebec Kilo. Your readback's correct. What was that intermediary thing?
Should I waver it on like that?
The intermediary is Kilo Hotel Lima X-ray.
Quebec Kilo, roger. We'll get you taxiing here in a few seconds. I got one inbound.
Here.
We use about 10 gallons, so I'm going to put about 15 in. That'll work.
That will work.
Usually I check with the FBO to see if they have like an online registration. Oh, we're coming.
I've actually never done that. I'm too lazy.
Do that with Signature and Atlantic.
Yeah. They definitely like when you do that for sure. Makes their job a little easier.
After this, I gotta go home, or I gotta go back to work because I have a meeting with my boss. And then I go home and pack.
There you go.
For my vacation. I hate that, man. I'm usually packed like 4 days before.
Oh, I wait last minute.
And I make a list of everything.
793, Charles Clearance, clear to Chicago O'Hare Airport.
I wait last minute every single time.
Expect flight level 300, 10 minutes. Departure frequency 124.1, squawk 4051.